Hey, I'm Nick Guy. I'm a writer for Wirecutter. I live in New York City and don't own a car, but I have to rent a car fairly often, and when I do, I like to bring this kit with me. This is a little kit I threw together of all the essentials I need for whenever I rent a car. Inside this kit, I have a bunch of cables, mostly lightning cables because I am an iPhone user, but I usually bring a micro USB or even a USB-C cable, just in case I have to charge up something else while I'm driving. And to charge all my devices, I use a multi-port charger. It's nice to be able to have 2, 3, 4 devices charging at once. I also bring with me a nice portable car mount. In our car mount guide, we have some different picks, but I like this model from Kenu because it's actually really small. It fits super well, and it stretches out to whatever size phone I'm using that week. Also in this kit, my Belkin audio adapter for my iPhone, because iPhones don't have headphone ports. If I'm ever in a car that doesn't have a USB connection or doesn't have CarPlay and just has an aux-in kit, I make sure to have this. It has both the lightning for charging and the audio port. Finally, because I live on the East Coast, I always bring my Easy Pass. So this is from when I used to have my own car. I just kept it, didn't send it back, and it saves me a lot of money each time I rent a car. Rental car agencies will charge you an arm and a leg for tolls, but if you have your own Easy Pass, you can save a lot of money. Cool? Sorry, I heard you click at me. Take it from the top.